Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time in your Dodge Avenger. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the menu button on your radio or infotainment system. This button is usually clearly labeled. Press it once to bring up the main settings menu on your display screen, which is the first step to adjusting your clock. Once in the main menu, you will need to navigate to the correct section. Use the tuning knob or the arrow buttons on your system to scroll through the available options. Look for and select System Setup, or a similarly named category, which will lead you to the General Vehicle Settings. Within this new list, locate and choose the Clock or Time option to proceed with your adjustment. Now that you've reached the clock settings, it's time to adjust the actual time. Select Set Time or Adjust Time to activate the modification mode. You'll typically see the hour flashing first. Use the tuning knob or the arrow buttons to increase or decrease the hour to the correct value. After setting the hour, confirm it, and then proceed to adjust the minutes in the exact same way. Finally, after you have set both the hours and minutes correctly, it is crucial to save your changes. Look for and press the OK or Set button on your system to confirm and store the new time. Take a moment to verify that the displayed time on your screen is precisely accurate. Also, remember to make this adjustment for daylight saving time, which occurs 2 times annually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.